Hey, what's up guys? I hope everyone is fine in these days right now. I want to bring up modding tutorial. It's not only a part of modding tutorial, it's the entire modding tutorial from the beginning to the end of modding. And to the end till you have your mod skin into the game. This includes how to extract bodies from Nude mod skins. Then how to apply outfits there. How to make the export. Then how to import your model. Then after this, how to export it to the IE files to make it viable for to make it happen in the game, to make it work in the game. In the description below, in the link, you have all links you need to make this happen. I will add Alpha's Bikini's base mod. I will I have permission. He allowed me to add his Bikini mod skin. So you have definitely a base and a body where you can start with modding. Of course, you need definitely two programs: 3ds Max and Photoshop. Photoshop for the texture editing and 3ds Max for the import and export of models and bring out the mod into the game. And of course, Fluffy's Modmanager to activate these mods in the game. You know, I should start. I think I should really start with that. Yeah, that's better. Let's open up. Let's open up 3ds Max. I'm pretty sure there will be always questions. Don't worry, I will put in the description below my Discord link and from the Resident Evil modding board Discord link. So if there are some small questions because of some issues there, because something went wrong, don't worry, these guys are very, very helpful. They are very social. But of course, I recommend to watch first this video and to start with that. If there's something went wrong, you can still ask these guys. But it's better to start something. Learning by doing. Modding is same like languages. You need to start. You need to do something. You need to able to do it. I hope you understand me. Sometimes, I'm not scripting my video or my tutorial. I want to make it realistic or as much as I can. Anyways, run the script. I will add, of course, the script. I will add the newest script. I'm using a 0.5e. It's still working. With the IE mesh script, all of them will work, but I recommend the newest script are way more better. I will put in the description all the newest updates of the scripts and of the base mod files, etc. Do nothing here. Change nothing. Import the mesh. Alpha's base, natives, open up, STM folder, escape folder, character folder, player folder, PL2000 folder. The mesh folder, there's where is the body included, the body mesh. This is the body mesh. Open. this takes a bit time. Okay, I think, yeah, good. You imported it. Let's increase the screen size. Now you see there's the body. I need to change my workspace. Oh, yeah, that's actually what I need. Open schematic view. Use hierarchy mode. So you have actually a better view. How the structures all look like. Do nothing here. Absolutely do nothing here, and not the green joints. The purple ones we need. I know some people are doing it a bit differently, but this is how I do this. And you need to get a feeling about modding. You need to know. You need to start with getting knowledge about modding. I guarantee you guys, I really recommend it. It's not helping you if you say, this, but I didn't know how to blend weight and start like this, and I didn't know this, I didn't know that part. Guys, really, first start with something. First make something happen in game. First make your mod skin happen in game. Yeah. I only want the body, so I will hide all these selections here. Yeah, that's what I'm actually want to hide. I only want to export the body. So, of course, if you want the holes as well, then don't select the purple joints where the joints were addressed to the holster. Then don't hide it. But I wanna start from completely in the beginning. Okay, now we got this. Hide selection. Now we only have here the body. Now export this one. I'm always where's my folder? I know my desktop looks actually not so clean. I apologize for that. Where is it? Yeah. Body base tot. I will call it like that, so I recognize. Okay, this is what I need. Use OBJ. I said this in some other tutorials as well, and Toraneku, where I actually did perfect modding tutorial, said this as well. Use OBJ. Why OBJ, guys? OBJ is a very compatible file. You can use it on every other 3D program. So that means, like, if you don't have really good, if you don't have to know how to work with 3ds Max, and you only want to use 3ds Max for the export to bring your mod in game. Let's say, example, you using ZBrush for modeling your models. I'm gonna tell you, OBJ will always work. Now save it. Change nothing here. Export. So he only exported this body model. You can save this scene, so you can go. I mean, yeah, you can save it as a 3ds Max file. So after you did your model, you can open up this scene and you can continue to work. So you don't need to import this again, and you can save some time. But I will not do this. I will show it from the a bit. It's not complicated, but like I said, you need to get more and more mechanics, and you need to understand more the mechanics. And yeah, so I'm not saving right now this scene. I saved this scene somewhere else. So let's start from new. Let's start an entire new scene. Reset this scene. I will change my workspace again. Okay, now import this body model. Now you have this body model. Let's say you don't like these shoes. I will use these shoes as well for the export. I actually did on my. I will add in the description a tutorial how to remove body parts from other model and apply them. So I don't need to do this right now. But if you want to remove it, then select this and select each parts of that and then remove. But we don't want to do that right now because I want to use these shoes. Now, I will put in the description as well 2 outfits. These outfits I'm adding in the description is only. I already use these outfits, so I will not recommend these to make with these assets your first mod. These assets are not actually for. These assets are actually for testing and learning how to make mods. Let's say I want this bra. Yeah, the size is small, but we will increase this one. Select scale to increase each part. I don't want this. I only want this. Before we go into soft selection, we will first of all add all these outfits you need. With right click, you can open up another window where you can work more accurate. Okay, it should be fine. Of course, there are still some holes, and in game it's not really adjust to this to the skin. It's not so close to the skin. This is what you will later masterize it. Okay, I think this should be fine. Now let's add where are the pants? Good, this is what I want. Wait, what? Fuck my ass, man. Let's move it a bit here with the arrows, but not too much. Yeah, I think I can start. Maybe I will go a bit down. And guys, work with the perspective, so you can see if there are holes or not, and you can work. You need to work with that. Work with this, with the perspective, and then select remove, rotation, or scale. You know. I think this is okay. Okay. Now, use soft selection. How to do this? You will click on one of these outfits. I clicked on a bra. I will change it to the editable poly. Then I will select the element. Then I'm selecting this as a multi-element, and then open up soft selection and click on use soft selection. Now you see, now you can work very, very accurate. Okay. Like I said, this will take a lot of time, and I can, of course, I can super understand Neko why he did not do edit this, because this is super time. This is super time consuming, and yeah, I can completely understand him why he didn't edit this section. But yeah, I got some time left, you know, and I think, why not? Come on. I'm not a fan of strings. Sorry, guys. So basically, you say, "Oh man, I don't like this part here, man. I don't want this." What we gonna do? Change it to a little mesh. Select this one. Select here, and if you change to Adobe Mesh, select the element and remove it with delete. Click here, delete. Boom. Probably I need to increase it a bit more. But I want to work a bit more accurate. By the way, guys, if you have problems with that, with the workspace, then, or with the work pivot, then edit this, increase it and edit and place it on a right spot where you know, okay, if I'm using the different perspective, it will not go down or something like that. It will stay on one position like that, you know. Now you want to move it. Your pivot, the arrows are not more moving as they are not moving as well, so you can work a bit better. Again, change it to editable poly. And yes, soft selection. And if you change it to editable poly, then use this one. I'm gonna say this is really tricky, and this is super time consuming, guys. I mean, look, this is only a bra. On dresses and other outfits, it takes more time. Crazy hair, man. Oh, dude. Sorry, guys, I'm very focused. This bra is already destroying my brain cells. Look, I know there are still a lot of flaws. I will not do this super perfect right now. This will be your job to move it like that. But you see, it comes more and more towards results. You know what? This bar is fucked up, man. I think I fucked it up just a bit. Sorry. But this is good. If you destroy something, then change it back. Remove this. Import new. It's better to import this entire new as to rip, as to try to work as much as you want, because there will nothing happen. Okay, that's definitely not. I have no idea where it is. I'm missing some items. I mean, I'm missing some assets. Damn. What is this? This is already resized. But you know what? Doesn't matter. I will make it. I have an idea. And I'm going to tell you that it's always like that. If you're importing something and you think, oh my god, I destroyed this, man, I moved too much in this direction, this looks broken. Delete it and import new. It's better, trust me. Because it's super hard to fix it again. This is okay, you know. And one important thing, if you think, okay, if you think, wow, this looks good, I think this is a perfect adjust. This is the perfect size. Save every step, guys. Trust me, then you save a lot of time and a lot of headaches. Okay, that's good. But as you can see, that's the way how you adjust these outfits. Now on the now I show it. Now I will show you this a bit more better. Because this one is not really good adjust. Again, editable poly, the element, multi, soft selection. And now you can see it's coming. It's coming outside from the skin mesh. But I say it's working. I think this was too much. I recommend, of course, in the beginning, work with the arrows to get the base, you know, get the base size, and after that, if there's some holes, like, yeah, like if you see there's some holes like here, click this one and then look, which arrow is it? It's J. Now you can go very accurate like that, and you know, you can adjust this as close as much as you can to the body, and this is what we want, you know. It looks, you know, really nice if you working very clean. More better you work with your mods, more better you adjust your mod skin and the outfits and all these assets, the result in game will look way, way, way more better. So don't become lazy modder like me. No, I'm kidding. Wait, I need to check. Okay. Much. Like here, I see here some holes. See, you see this guy? There are some holes. Now, move. Okay, I think this is good. I think no, there's something. Of course, it can be too close to the body, too much, you know. One thing, wireframe is another perspective mode where you can see if it's too close or it's too far away, you know. That's actually another mode where you can work if you feel confident with that. Yeah, you know, I know if I'm exporting this later in the game, there's still some flaws there, but this is the way how in 3ds Max, how you adjust this to the skin body, you know. This is the way. I recommend this in 3ds Max. Maybe you find another way to do this. Do it how you feel comfortable with that. I feel comfortable to work with a soft selection, to change the mesh into a polygon. So work directly on the polygon. So yeah, this is way more better. Wait, I need to watch that. I have a second screen, so I need. Okay. Something. This is a bit inside. Like I said, you will masterize it, guys. You will masterize it. You will maximize your skill by that. So it's finished, I think. No, it's not finished. Now we need to set up the UVs. Select the entire model. Add unwrap UVW modifier. Open the UV editor. Okay, probably I did a mistake. I need to collapse this one. Yeah. Mesh. Okay. Mesh. Change it to editable mesh again, so it will work. Yeah. Like that. Okay, now is it a bit strange. But with these if you're selecting these features, you can select you can click each assets and move it then from the pattern field. There's another way how you can do this. You can, of course, open each assets. It's way more better, trust me. To move it away from the pattern. So now the top. Yeah, like that. Move it away. So now again. Open UV editor. These are the shoes, guys. Only want to let you know. They are already included with the mesh. So now scale this one and move it. Scale. There. I think this is good. Yeah. Now stop. Now it looks good. It looks way more better. You can render your UV template here for later for texture editing, but I'm always doing this after I export this one in a 3ds file. Okay, don't delete your unwrap UV modifier. I'm using 3ds as a export with FBX. I'm not recommend this really. They're always it's always creating skin modifier, and you know, and then even before you need to use noises and stuff like this. I don't need to use this. Okay. Again, open up. Yeah. Looks clean. It should not match with other UVs. Really. This you need to know. This you really need to know. Don't match it with other UVs. Or you have another map channel. That's okay, but I'm not using another map channel. I'm using it in one map channel. Here, select 3ds. Body test for tut. Save. Yes. Guys, I'm be right back. I need to go to toilet. Fuck. Sorry. Okay. I think he did this. Yeah, should be. Check. Yeah, there it is. Now, reset this one. No, don't save it. You should save it. You should save this scene. I don't need this to do, because I don't. This is only for the tutorial. But you should save it. This scene. If you maybe later in game, the pants goes inside the skin and stuff like that. You know the issues. So if you open up again this scene, you know how to fix it. So you should save it. I don't save it. like I said, save your steps to come back later there and fix if there are issues. Now, one script, RE engine mesh, import the Alphabase. Sorry guys, I need to do this, man. My hair's so, it's really annoying if your hair's coming down, man, and you see absolutely nothing, man. So, fuck my life, this hurts. Now, again, I need to change always my design, my workspace. I don't know, it's always setting back to a default. Okay, open schematic view, open, click hierarchy mode. Now, again, only the purple joints. Only all of them you don't need. Like this one, I don't need it because I only use the body. I'm not adding a holster or anything. This is if you want to do this. That means like if you want this holster, basically, you want a holster. You need to check up which one is the holster. Like that. This is one part of the holster. And no, this is not the next part. This is another part, you see? If you want this, then don't hide these. Don't hide the assets you want for the extracting. But I only using the body, the body, not anything else from Alpha's base. Again, hide. Now, import your import yours. Your model. Okay, yeah. Now it's imported. Again, open schematic view. Click one of these. Now attach. To the but only attach to your outfits what you have to your model, not attach it with something else with here, not with the base model you want to export, only with your model, like this one here, top and with the jeans. Boom. There are right now only one LODs. I hope I said this right. Fuck my life. My English gets so worse, man. They're actually really bad. I mean, if I'm more prepared, it's different, but yeah. Sorry. It's really not my native. But I try to improve more and more my English skills. Maybe in future it will look different. Okay. Yeah, now we got it. Now we have only one body model. Better say you have only as one model. Now, reset the X form. Don't click here anything. It's selected your body model. Reset it. Now you see the X form. Collapse. Right click and collapse. Boom. Add unwrap UVW. Open up the UV editor and check. Okay. Everything looks fine. Not matched together. Now, render your UV templates. Use 2K textures because RE3 has 2K textures. I'm using normal mode. It looks way more better. For me, it looks better in 3D in Photoshop to work. You know. Now click this one to render your output farm. I will call it test for tot one. Fuck. Sorry for the fuck. Sorry for the fuck. And use DDS file as the format. And save it. Yeah, do nothing here. Okay? And now render. Boom. This is how it looks like. Really rainbow. Rainbow colors, guys. Yeah, he rendered these UV templates. That's it. He saved this in the scene folder in the documents. I mean, it's set up by my path structure. Maybe you have it differently. Okay. What next? No, wait. Before doing anything, reset your UVs. Normally you don't need to do this because of the script. I think 1.3 script, I imagine you actually don't need to do this, but I am doing this because I want to be safe and I want to show you this. Maybe there goes something wrong, and you know, it doesn't matter if you're not doing this. Or I mean, if you're doing this, nothing will happen broken. Don't worry. Yeah, move this one. Okay, you resetted this one and you move this one. That's it. And move, not abandon. Abandon, yeah. Move it. Now skin wrap. Now you need to add. You need to select. Find where it show up your You need to find the LOD1 main group. Okay, this time is stupid. Why is it not finding? This is the one. Now edit. Okay. The distance plate need to be on 0.05. Now weight all points and convert the skin. After this, scroll down. Oh, it's not. Here is it with the weight tail, but you need to activate envelopes. I'm gonna tell you, this is only for dresses, for something what is not close to the body, because if she's moving in the game, you will see if she has a skirt or a dress, it's stretching really strange, you know, it looks so strange. And this is only for this part, but I'm gonna tell you, get more comfortable with easier outfits, and if you are feeling really comfortable and if you know how it works, then you can start with skirts and dresses and whatever. Penetrator and ass, I don't know, bro. I don't know what's going on, but you know, you can do then crazy shit then. Anyways, after you convert the skin, open up advanced parameters, change the bone effect limit to 8, click enter, remove 0 limits, click here, it needs to be 0.0, and then remove 0 rates. Okay. Now, edit normals. You edit normals modifier. Now select all. Use threshold and add 2 zeros. Click enter and select. Good. You saw it got changed. It became more smoother, the vertex. Click now here, and it need to be the same name. It need to be the same name like your body model, like the Nude mod. And if you're using holsters and all stuff like this, still, you only need to create only one. You only need to have one purple joints, and it always need to be renamed to this one. It need to be has the same. It need to be have the same name like you like the body model. No, you got it. Now check. Is it the same? Yeah, it's the same. Now, run script. This one. Export the mesh and use the same. You need to use the same mesh you imported as the export as well. Oh, fuck, my wrong. Export. I clicked on the texture, not on this one here. My fault. You see, this one. It need to be this one. Open. This takes a bit of time. You need to wait till it shows up this window here, till it's complete. Okay. Now it's complete. Don't close it. Don't close it. Character, player, mesh. You see, this is your new mesh. This is the old one. I'm recommending not to delete this. If you have the raw file, okay, then you can delete this. But if you don't have the raw file, then copy this one. Backup mesh. Now you can delete this. And this one needs to be renamed. The new mesh term need to be deleted, and only it need to be exactly look like the mesh, like the mesh name before. Click it, yeah, say yes. Now it has the texture code. Now it has the mesh code. I think that I hope this is the right terms what I'm saying right now, man. Yeah. Still, we didn't have to do texture editing, of course. Now it still have the old texture from the previous mod, and they will apply with the template what I have. But I will texture editing comes after. I wanna look if this looks correctly in game. I'm pretty sure there's some issues because I didn't work clean. This is your part where you need to work clean. But I want to show you right now in game if there are flaws. These flaws you will fix it later then. Anyways, okay. Now, wait. I think I got somewhere already this mod skin. Give it a name. Test for tut. I'm using this lines here. Anführungszeichen heißen die eigentlich hier. In Anführungszeichen is in German. I don't know what it's called right now in English. If you're using this one, it will in the mod manager. It will be in the first. It will be in the first place. You will see it. Yeah, I think this should be fine. Wait, maybe not this, because this could be annoying. Maybe because I have already this in mod manager, and if I'm open up million, if I have in the mod manager that's nearly the same files, it's annoying. You have not coordination which mod skin is it anymore, and my mod manager looks not so clean. Yeah, save it. Save this one. As a raw file. Fluffy's Modmanager is required as well. Open up IE3 folder and set this here. Okay. Choose game. We read game files, refresh mode list. Okay, this need test for that's it. Let's see how the results looks like. Of course, there's no text setting. It comes after this. I want to only check something. We need to check how it looks like in game. Okay. Okay, something went wrong. I don't know why. Okay, now it works. You can check this, of course, here. Yeah. Of course, the texture from the previous mod is there, but it looks good. It looks like we did our mod. Let's check it in game. Downtown. It looks like our mod skin was correct. We did a correct export. Jesus, not even... And it's not going even inside the skin, so it worked actually clean. But you can even work cleaner. I'm still... No, you can work still cleaner. Yeah. Of course, test cutscene, guys. But this is you will do later. Yeah. So our mod export was correct. This is good. So we can jump right now in text editing. Okay. But where is it, man? Oh, I forgot. Delete this one. Because we have still here this one. And we know this one works. Okay. Now. Open up. Characters, players. Body mesh. The mesh folder. I'm using RETOOL, guys. Yeah. Come on, not this. You see, this is the body albino mask. Select it and drag it to the RE tool. Boom. It's open up the albino mask as a DDS file. Click it. Load the alpha channel as well. This is the texture what the game, what you saw in the game before. But you want your textures. Where is it? Oh my god, too much open. I have saved this on scene. You probably will know it where you will save it. Yes. Now like that. Okay. Good. I'm doing this in this way. I know there is another way how you can work more better. I have not the best Photoshop skills, but you will masterize it. I know you will get better with that because you will spend more time than me. Okay, now do it like this. Now select this one here, delete this. Okay, something went wrong. Okay. And activate it again. Now you can see in-game will look like this. Now it will apply the texture. Of course, you can delete these parts here as well. The parts you don't need. You need to check up which one you have extracted. Which one is in your UV template. So all of the things of the textures you don't need, you can delete it. I'm not gonna do this because they will not match together, but if you want to be more cleaner than me, then do it. Yeah, you can now apply stuff there. I mean, on Photoshop, probably you know how to work. You can take images from in Google, like type in Google like texture images, JPG, and resize it and apply it, you know. This will be your job. I'm pretty sure you will get it to work. Let's do something funny. Something not serious. I will make this complete white. Or you can work like this here. So you can select each one. You know, I'm working right now not really clean. I want to only show you how this looks like if you do text editing. This is really not serious. I'm not normally not working like that. I only want to show you. Again. Layer via copy. Now you have this layer here, blending. Yeah, let's do some contours. Gradient. Come on. Nah. Normally I'm adding texture images and resize these texture images, apply them correctly to the UVs. You know, this is later than your work. What is this? No, down, linear. What this looks like. You know what? We take only red. Now you got this one. This one is finished. Save it, but save this one here. Yes. If you want to keep up the text before, and do it like that. Yes. This is right. Change nothing. Boom. He did this. I want to know where he saved these files. Okay, it's there saved. Okay, perfect. Okay. No. Keep this as well. Now we name this one. Drag, select these both, select them here. Use this one and drag it. Select the DDS file and drag it to texture convert all DDS. Now he did this. For a test, if you want to know, oh, did he this or did he not? Normally he is always doing this. Drag it again to the RE tool, the texture file, open up the DDS file. And he did exactly the right thing. It's correct. There's nothing. It's not the previous not the previous texture before. Okay, close it. Now you can delete this one and drag it again here. Only want to show you something. Here's the MDF file. Drag this wait, where is my fucking hex editor? Here. No. Drag this MDF file and open up here. You guys see none A is for one. I think 9A is for one side transparency, or for both sides transparency. I'm mostly using 9.9. These lines here, guys. This one here, this one here, this one here. All these lines here. Not this one or not the D0. Only the 9.8 or 9.9, 9.8 till there comes no more section with 9.9.9.9 till you reach the last section. If you want one side transparency, then 9A. I think in a in a Resident Evil Discord they pin it in one of these channels for what is 9.8 and for what is 9.9 code and for what is 9A code. They pin it there. I can tell you 9.9 is double-sided because I mostly use this. I like it. No, it looks good. But this one is, I think it's not a problem. And of course, in the Discord they will explain more which areas is only the pants and which one is the top. You know, in the Resident Evil modding board Discord they will, if you have still questions left, these guys will help you out. I'm guarantee you. They're very, very social. But you guys need to start with something. You know, it's stupid if you never started something, did any kind of test, or you know, you didn't find any kind of issues, but you know, you didn't never started with modding, but you say, hey guys, I want to make mods. How I should start like that? You know, with this video and with Taurus and with all other tutorials combined, you have a start. You have a start. You have a direction, you know, where you can follow this direction and try to make something happen with mods. If you did this way and then some flaws are coming, or you want to get better in modding, then you can really ask these guys. But I want to only say to you, start with something so we can help you then later. If we didn't, if someone comes and he says, I want to start with modding, and you know, but he did not start it with modding, but he is only asking it. It's not really efficient, guys. This video will give you a direction. With all other tutorials combined, it's then way more easier to come inside with modding. Okay, let's close it. I think that's finished. Again, of course, normal roughness. I already set up the normal roughness. On Alpha's normal roughness, there was some stuff. I'm actually needed to delete this, otherwise it will. It will look bad. There was some stuff before for his other textures. I deleted this and I created new normal roughness. All textures here, the textures, not the MDFs, only the textures you can open up with the RE tool. Now, let's open up the normal roughness because I want to show you what I already changed. Load Alpha channel as well. Here was from the previous skins. From the normal roughness, the textures. I already cleaned this up, so it's for you actually. I did already this work, so yeah, it will not apply with the text, and it will not broken or will look like look like strange. Okay, delete this one. I think that's it. Now, yeah, I will add, of course. This is what I did with the body. This is the same way what you're doing with the face. Albino mask is, I think, it's for the face, and albino it's only for the eyes. If you want to make some head texture editing, face texture editing. I added another folder for hair texturing. I take the default. I created I added the default hairs. It's the same way with the body, guys. It's the same exactly way. If you have this question, I can help you with that. No problem. Oh well, you know what? Let's do this. You know what? Yeah, come on, let's do this. Fuck off. If we are right now here, then let's finish this completely. Yeah. Now you can select each parts of that and colorize it like that. Use quick selection. I'm really right now not working clean. Sorry, guys. You know what? Like that. Here, layer your copy, and then you can do here. You can do it like this one here. Looks weird. Looks really weird. Or you will do it like this one. Change the opacity to 50, and you know, it still have the texture from before, but you can change the color. But you know, I don't want right now any white or black or something like that. I want the default. But this is the way how you're doing. And then again, drag this shit here, and of course in 3ds Photoshop, save it, and then drag it again here to the texture convert. With you always need to drag exactly the texture file and the DDS file. So if you drag the DDS file then to the texture convert all DDS, it will later apply it. Like what I did with the body before, it's exactly the same. You know what? I need to delete this. Okay, again, export this as raw. Where is it? Okay, here. I hope this tutorial is not annoying. I know I didn't show everything here, but actually I showed the most important parts to make a mod happen. like I said, you need to come inside in modding. If I'm showing you all this kind of stuff, this is too many information output. This is too much for you. I did this. I did the issue. I did this beginning as well. So for me, it took really long time to come to modding. In I2, I wanted to know everything. I said, man, I want this. I want this. I want that. But I didn't know where I should start. So this video is only a direction to come inside like that, to come in modding. Later, if you're feeling more comfortable with the mechanics and with the export, then you can learn new stuff. But first of all, come in modding, guys. Yeah, it's here. Actually, I can close this. Yeah, don't save. Yeah. Oh, these sounds, man. Oh. Sorry, my computer's, I don't know, there's something wrong with my computer. I did the Windows update and I recommend Windows update is totally wrong. Something goes, it's slow at my computer. And I know I can make this tutorial a bit more better, but I don't have a lot of space on anymore on my computer. You know, I'm missing a hard disk drive. It's a bit stupid. Yeah, anyway, so I need to do this on YouTube, and you know, I need to do this on YouTube on not a private streaming. It's fucked up. I know. Sorry. I hope it's not so annoying. So I can make this way more better if a hard disk drive. So I can make parts, but I don't know, man. I have no space anymore, really, and yeah. Sorry, guys. Look. We did wet, and it became wet. Let's go downtown. And as you can see, it's finished. And this looks so good. Probably I will keep this base file. Nah, this actually not look so good. Blah. That's okay. But that's it, guys. That's actually it. That's the entire modding tutorial on the way on a very simple way. On a way, like I said, to get the base knowledge about modding, to create your base knowledge about modding. Make this everything perfect, and you know, make this everything perfect, and learn more mechanics about 3ds Max. I told you. Get your base knowledge. If you did this way, then in the Discord, I'm there. I will put in the Discord my description. I will put in the description my Discord link, and from the 3ds Max. Shit, man. You know what I mean. From the Resident Evil modding board team. From us. From a very cool team, and you know, I will call out these names where the people really, these people who are actually really helped me a lot, man. You know, where I really want to say thank you for all the time from Remodding, since 2019, where I started with modding, where I'm actually a fucking noob in modding. Oh man, I was so bad, guys. I was really I was really bad. Oh my god. It's not even, yeah, we should not talk. What the heck? You know, yeah, it was crazy. I was so bad in modding, and these guys helped me a lot. Still now, you know, I learned a lot since now, because you can learn we can becoming every day more and more with more and more progress, and we learning every day more and more, you know. And I did this tutorial, guys, because I have 2 mod skins still. They're finished. I only need to do the export, and then I will release it on Patreon. But yeah, they are already finished, so I only need to release them, and that's actually it. Then I will take a break from modding, guys. That's it. I need to take a break from modding because of some stuff, you know. Some real life stuff. I need to do exams and stuff like this, and then I really want to concentrate. I'm going back to. It doesn't matter. It's okay. This is something for me. I really want to say thank you for everything, and I want to call out these names, man. I really need to call out these names because these guys, top notch, man. AlphaZomega. Man, bro, thanks a lot. Ben, Darkness Vault here. Fluffyquack, Evil Lord, bro, Dark Lord, Love Lord. He has always new synonyms, man. Awesome guy. Let Me Live Gaming. She's super cool. She's super nice. She's helpful as well. All of these people are helpful. I'm calling them out. Maverick, Shigu, SLG, I want to speed this up. Snipes, Crazy Potatoes, Zombie Ally, JT Tish's, Kittius. I hope I didn't forget anything. Of course not. Of course not. Marcus RC. Mark my words. Will be soon. He's already working for in Capcom, guys. He's working for Capcom Brazil. It's my sarcasm. I hope you like it. Banner, he's a very cool guy. And all other Chuchi and Viper Venom. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, Fatih G, and you know, all these guys, these are all top notch, and I hope and the people I didn't set right now, these are people as well. The whole RE modding bot community, you know. Thanks for all, man. It was a great time, man. It was actually a fucking funny time. But yeah, that's it. That's the tutorial, guys. I'm done. I know questions will come, guys. I know this. Like I said, I will put in the description my Discord link. From the RE modding bot, the Discord link. So you have access to us. You have not only access to us, you can join there and you can immediately ask us. But I recommend to start with modding. Use this tutorial with all other tutorials combined. I'm pretty sure you have less questions. Maybe you have no questions anymore. But if you have questions, we are in the Discord and we will help you. Don't worry, we are not like that. We are not like some modders. I will not call these people out, but they already know who they are. It's a very social, helpful team, man. Not selfish, not treacherous, don't worry. They're very cool. But that's it, guys. That's it, guys. I hope you like it, man. I really hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you a lot, man. I can't wait for this next modder generation, guys. I can't really wait for your fantastic and interesting mod skins. Peace.